lines is the same, right? Be advised, we have intel about nuclear devices in the AO.
How's that coming in? That doesn't seem friendly.
Enemy tank in the compound!
Holy fuck!
I don't like the sound the nuke makes.
Round, this is Tampa 1, message over.
Echo? I don't like the sound the nuke makes.
You mean this? Or...
No, there was a nuke right next to the explosion.
Oh, yeah, I noticed that. I was about to say, is this a fucking nuke?
Yeah,
a fucking
nuke.
enemy tank just drove up right in front of the nuke, tried to blow it up.
It should be next to our Abrams. I'm going to check it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay away from that.
Yeah, it's not that.
Holy fuck!
Yeah.
The explosion is so close.
No, actually, where is the nuke? No, that's the.
This is the nuke, yeah.
Right, do you have runners frequency? The plan is the Merkava and the Bradley will secure the main road, along with the emplacements we got, which is the anti-tank launchers and HMGs. That's all north side. These people will be securing north side, which is the main attack. But we can still have small infantry forces going from all around the place. So, yeah, so at least 2 people needs to be by the dome with the nuke at all times, by the gate, making sure nobody gets in. And protect the people disarming it, because if we lose those, we have no way of disarming nuke.
Oshu, right now it's Matt and Finna's paper, they're inside.
Yeah, I know. But I also want people from other squads that are not in mounted positions on tanks to secure all the other parts of the objective, especially east side, because that's a side here where enemies can get up. Do we have somebody on the tower?
Affirmative, it's Dackle Panel.
Copy. Have an overwatch. Report any forces that make it through.
Copy that. Currently watching the main road.
That's me. So I'm currently alone in the Bradley in the gunner seat.
Copy that. You did both of the armored vehicles stay here and present.
Oh God. Get clear.
Mortars ready to fire when needed.
Copy that. I'm gonna report the 5 missions for you.
Copy.
Are all the HMGs?
Contact! Enemy strike force, southwest! They are close to the big ass dome!
We got enemy strikers southwest, close to the dome.
There are at least 2 squads!
2 squads inside the compound. Bradley, same place.
Overwatch is taking fire, requesting assistance.
Copy that.
Bravo to come as well.
Bravo, assist on the tower.
Copy. Responding.
This is Tampa 1, message over.
Copy you.
Send message. Due to complications, this could take a bit longer than expected to bring you equipment over. Apologies.
Good copy. It's all good.
Get up there.
Friendly Blackhawk going down, taking fire on the north side. I see enemies shooting at it. It survived though. That's our life.
You got one?
Enemy
One down.
BTR on the north side of compound. Mark BTR on map.
Copy that. I know where it is. I just can't shoot it yet. It's behind the ridge.
We are getting rocket strike.
I went down.
All units, artillery fire incoming, seek cover.
Friendly.
Oh. Jacko just got run over. Oh! Jacko just got run over by them.
You just got run over by the tank, didn't you?
No, I was in the radio tower and I got exploded and launched all the way into the air.
Fair enough.
I was on this tower. I was on this tower and I flew all the way across.
Hitman, report hits on the fire mission marker with mortar.
Some enemies in the front of the compound.
Guys, mark positions of enemy forces behind the hills. We got the mortar. We can strike them. All right, mark the objectives of fire missions.
Good Scott, we just need to get into position.
We got helicopter inbound on north side.
Give up.
Got it.
Daco, yes, you have this contact.
I had to get off of the radio tower for a while because it was getting fired at by explosions, but I am back up.
Copy. I'm making it to your position, and I'm gonna mark fire missions from there.
Solid copy,
Enemy
waiting.
Helicopter. Enemy helicopter right above. I got hit, might pass out. Good man down.
I'm on my way.
Also, I'm coming to your location.
No, tip is coming, just stay in place.
Copy.
Tip, when you come here, help the wounded. I'm gonna treat myself.
Copy.
Hitman, what's your stats?
Mortar crew, you got a fire mission.
Repeat that, please.
You got the objective set 1 times high explosive, I think, maybe 2.
Copy. Sending them soon.
Hell's Fury, status report.
We are green.
Ground, this is Sample 1, anybody copy? Ground, this is Sample 1, anybody copy?
User in your channel timed out.
Raptor, when you the rain says, okay, I just saw an enemy jet kamikaze in
Your mortar shells are on the way.
when you the rain says rains it are people into LG
ETA, 20 seconds.
Danger. Copy that, will do.
gonna be difficult.
User left your channel. User joined your channel. User joined your channel.
Solo. I see infantry northeast of compound.
Securing compound.
Overlord, what's with the suiciding jets? I don't know, they're not working properly, and I already got three
Lord
rammed up Bradley.
You want me to send mortars?
On the farm, yes.
Yeah, my Bradley just got eased all of his stuff, I think. I mean, he's not here.
Fire mission on 3 times HE now.
They're already underway.
Copy. Do another fire mission.
Oh, there are 6 mortars underway.
I'm counting at least 20. Enemy infantry on north side. Another fire mission, 4 times HE. Now.
Copy that.
Jed?
Yes.
What's your status?
Bravo team is securing, at least I am securing the nuclear ship with the mats and artists help where needed.
We're
Good hit, Fury, good hit.
on their way.
I'm alone in America. I don't know where Stonewall went. I think he disconnected.
Copy. Man it as long as you can.
Rearm and re-med helicopter is on a final approach onto LV danger.
Fire mission on marker 6 times AG in this general area.
Copy that.
Spread it out. Spread it out around the marker. Holy shit, Tip, you have so many kills.
How many?
30.
What the fuck?
You just smacked an entire squad with Immortal.
Better?
Funny thing, had 0 kills going into this.
Make that to 33.
Cancel animation, bro, your bugs.
This is why I dibs the mortar.
Okay, thank you.
No qualification.
I am Olympus, we get taught to use everything.
Gas, left side, enemy fire. I don't know where from, but
No visuals.
yeah, I'm fully good.
This is Overwatch. We've got an enemy armor approaching somewhere from the north or northeast. Be advised.
You
yeah,
got
I
armor
can see
approach.
it. Want me to try and take it out?
If we got a visual, I'm gonna make a fire mission for you.
Copy. Oh, well, I have a visual on it.
Ground, this is Templar 1, be advised, you now have supplies, medical supplies at LZ Danger.
At LZ Danger?
Enemy armor destroyed.
Does somebody have a toolkit?
There's a toolkit. Yeah, I do. I'm coming to you. Where are you?
Check the Bradley if you can make the gun and the turret or not.
I'm coming. And the lights off, Bradley. We got people with night vision.
I'm gonna check if I can.
Drop smokes. Get in the command seat and press C. Thank you so much.
Turret is gone and the gun is gone. That's the only thing.
Bad news, mortar is out of HE.
Good copy. Do you have any other rounds left?
Got smokes.
Drops, okay, just get off the mortar then. Unless you can get a resupply from those.
Ask for a resupply. I think he'll drop a crate to you. Because it's like a nice position, I guess.
Yeah, do that. You can ping Zeus with, by pressing Y. Y.
Jesus, this is a badass mission.
Daco, Jet, status spot.
This is Daco, currently holding Overwatch. I see another armor, currently out of my sight, but it's shot at a friendly. Stand by for further.
Copy, Jet.
Copy.
Your squad's good?
Yeah, squad's good. I'm here with him for now.
Yeah. Can you check on the guys inside the compound?
I'll do that real quick, yeah.
Like in the dome. And you can exchange them, like them with somebody so they can have some fun as well.
Mortar has HE shells now.
Good copy.
This is Overwatch. I have a visual on the enemy armor now. It's bearing 340, 344 or 343.
The KA is trying to get up. It's north, somewhere.
It's
Also, Matt is okay with staying in the compound. He loves guarding the nukes.
Copy. The other guy?
There's only one. Only Matt.
Fair.
Matt's into radium.
Exactly, dude.
Why do we have a Vendigos? Go ahead.
I am defending nukes while also learning to disarm nukes.
Nice.
That's the spirit.
It's this dark, and it's only like past 6. What the fuck?
That's why you have night
winter
vision.
time.
Good thing I brought night vision on the Overwatch.
I found one in the tank, so I'm good.
Hey, I'm seeing on my map a armored car approaching
Bomb it,
fast. Don't think I can do an accurate bombing on it. It's approaching you guys fast north. Up on the hill.
Copy that.
Yeah, it's bearing 10. There's another armor bearing 20.
Tank main
coming,
road.
tank coming. Bail hit. Good hit. Nice job, guys. What? We got a ZDC left. Under you. Left side, Merkava, left side. Direct left.
Oh my fucking god. Where did he sneak by?
Crew from tank has survived.
You can put 2 mortar shells on the tank, I guess. I'm gonna give you need the fire mission?
Yes.
Great, now I got the fucking fire in my face.
The X2HE marker. I guess you can put on 3. The rest. Good hits on the mortar shells.
Copy.
There's so much fire north. Holy shit.
More target practice then. Target's coming from behind.
Behind?
Copy. I've seen them literally 10 meters from me.
Glenn, get your squad to the behind the compound. Get your squad south.
Copy.
Unfortunately,
Matt, we're going to have
People pushing north. North. 2 enemy vehicles with machine guns.
Merkava, Brad,
Yeah,
hold
they're
them
down.
down.
One exploded, the second one is still behind the rocks.
Tip, where are they?
They are literally next to the mortar. Down the hill.
Copy, I'm coming. Yeah, I got a frag.
Ground. This is step up one. Let's go back.
Spotted 4. Probably more though.
Good test.
User joined your channel.
Tip, full times.
this is
marker. We currently gonna do 5 missions.
this is Overwatch. I see an enemy squad south side.
Yes, wait, everybody, I need a Merkava in the compound now.
Thank Hugo, I don't have any fuel, I can't move.
We got
I'll hold the north side.
enemies inside the compound. Oh shit! Everyone to the nuke rally. Merkava, we got a bunch of enemies outside and down with the nuke. Do not blow us up though. Copy. Is everyone inside? No. We're engaging targets outside.
This is Overwatch. Enemies are dropping like flies. So far, the outer side of the dome looks clear, but there are still enemies lurking about. How copy?
I copy you. There's a shit ton of them inside, actually.
Copy that. I'll clear the outside on the south. You take care of the inside.
Copy. We're covering inside. We're taking casualties. Fuck.
User left your channel. User joined your channel.
Enemy forces inside the compound somewhere east.
Hitman status report.
Hitman screen engaging currently.
Oh, but that's not when it's yet.
Well, I'm still successfully holding the north town of the compound, though.
Copy. There's enemies right outside the door. Enemies west. The gate is open. The gates are open. Enemies are flooding in on the nuke. Waiting for reinforcements now.
Copy that.
Check your fire. Our allies are entering the giant dome.
Check fire. Keep the gates closed at all times.
Should I stay at the north or not?
Copy. Keep the gates closed at all times.
Enemy forces coming from the main road.
Ground, this is Templar 1, message over. I copy you, send message. What's your status?
User
over.
left your joined your channel.
FOB is currently hot. We're being swarmed by enemies. Copy. You need CAS, over. That's a yes. Repeat last. You need CAS, is that correct? I have no eyes on anything and I cannot provide CAS that I can't guarantee you won't hit friendly, so it's really risky. Copy that. You need reinserts, over. If there's people down, you can reinsert them, but not like on the FOB. You need to get them somewhere a bit away from the FOB so they can reinforce us, you know, so they can run to the FOB. Copy. Can you designate a safe location? Move the LZ danger marker, over.
LZ danger has been marked with immediate reinforcements here.
Reinforcements inbound.
Approach from south. Yep. Darko, status? Anyone on this net?
I'm on this net, I'm still on the
LCU
north.
here. Right. If you can, if you're on the ground boots, I need people inside the compound defending it. Why is the AI opening the gate?
Well, I don't have night vision, so I can't get to there.
There's a bunch of night visions on the bodies. Find one. And we have light inside the dome if you can get to the big dome.
This is Deco. Overwatch is out of commission for now.
Was out of commission?
But I have been fired at by several explosives.
Copy. Can you, Overwatch, can you make it to the dome and help us here? If you can, enter through a small door on the south side of the building, not the big gates.
Copy that. Moving.
Right, is those covered by the tank?
Spoko, zacho, jeszcze sobie pracę.
The AI keeps opening the fucking gate.
Mogę to zastosować, bo jestem medykiem, więc dla mnie
The AI is
ja
shooting
bym nie
enemies, so for
grę.
now, no.
Ja mam chyba 140 wszystkich łącznie.
Po co?
No jestem medykiem.
Masz 140.
Hello. Hello.
Raptor, what's the status of the reinforcement?
A little bit preoccupied here, sorry.
Anybody have a flashlight?
We have no reinserts.
I have night vision, but nothing else.
What are you asking for here? Do you want us to reinsert somebody, or are you asking if there's anybody to reinsert?
Yeah, I'm asking if there's anybody to reinsert.
We got one guy, he's on his way.
Good copy, thank you very much. Okay. No, it's the window.
Oh, what?
The window.
Hey.
Hey, close the gate. You were supposed to enter through the small door on south.
Oh, small door, not the big door.
I
Sorry.
can't see anything.
Shit!
Where are any corpses? I need NVGs badly.
RPGs are outside mainly.
They are outside
Probably
of this
on the
big
deck
day.
of fucking
Oh,
men.
guys, yeah. No one else. I think it's us and the tank.
Yeah.
Anybody have like a normal flashlight with them? Oh fuck.
One dome got shot and collapsed.
Oh shit.
Well, I don't see anything. Literally nothing. Okay, here. Okay, that's outside. Okay, Matt, move.
Nope,
move,
that's
move.
not NVGs. He doesn't have NVGs.
Nobody has NVGs.
Can we get flashlights at least for the other guys?
Hold on. I'll put a crate.
Because none of the enemies had anything in terms of,
Just wait.
like, you know, lightning, even though it's nice.
See that box?
No!
Where's
Which
the box?
box?
Yep.
Which box?
There's a box here.
Oh, I found some night vision. I found night vision.
I literally see nothing. What box do you mean?
Hold on, Nairo.
Right here, right here.
Nairo.
Medical crate.
Look straight down. Look straight down. I'm dropping a night vision for you.
Okay.
Alright,
Raptor,
dropped
is
it.
that you about the...
Keep setting up. Keep
Okay,
going.
I see something. Oof. Which box? Oh, this box.
Negative,
Okay.
I'm not in the dome, I'm in the fighting vehicle.
You need the night vision back?
It's in the Merkava.
No, I have my own.
Helicopter above us.
It's friendly.
Negative, that's me, I just landed.
Copy.
Tell the guy that was with you to come to the big
If
dome.
there is a guy dead with a gun, bring said gun, bring it to the roof, put it down, drop the ammo, grab another gun. We need a stockpile in here. Shit!
Oh shit, no!
Don't collapse!
Oh fuck, that's gonna set off the
The
nuke.
big dome is apparently no more.
I think
Are the nukes down?
Oh my fucking god.
I'm up.
I'm up!
Keep the fucking nukes defended!
The nukes are good.
Oh shit, the nukes are exposed!
Radio in, the nukes are fucking exposed!
Yeah, this is awkward for you guys.
The nukes are exposed!
Oh no!
At least defended.
We're protecting the nukes.
Overload, how long?
We need a torch room to at least detonate them.
Reinforced.
Just make sure none of them get to the actual
Guys, we need to see the
Can we get
nukes.
like
If
3
we see
people on the
them, you're allowed
mountain?
to bring home
secure
souvenirs.
boys, secure location. Enemies on the mountain. Enemies on the mountain next to the nuke.
Enemies on the mountain.
Dickhead!
Very much.
Julzak has taken the same Overwatch position I was in.
I just get shot.
Nielsen? And Jur, come with me, off the mountain.
Alright, gotcha.
I have a scope.
These people on the bottom, there's a door there.
On your 6, Artes.
Yes, 7 here, guys.
Artes, back up if you're taking fire.
Be careful.
I took, I think, Jur and Nielsen, and I set up on the mountain to defend the nuke.
Fucking smoke.
I do with that.
Are you kidding? Are you killing me? Ghillie suits?
Becca, need help?
Yeah, I'm fine. So far I've swept this. No, nothing here so far. But keep your eyes peeled.
Oh, you're very much bleeding. Reloading.
They shot my fucking body again.
Mounting southwest. I like that you're stubborn. You're also bleeding.
Oh, that's a fucking rocket.
I killed the guy in the tower.
Yeah. Friendlies are down.
Where?
Well,
Heli down. It's about
Oh,
friendly.
shit.
oh, the helicopter is done. That's unusual.
Who has an LR? Because we need to fucking get medevac. We cannot.
I don't have top of the mountain. Shit.
Problem is we cannot beat the nuke.
At this point, we need to cut our.
Make sure that friendlies.
I don't have an LR.
If the nukes go out, the losses will be 100%.
Coming the LMG.
Yeah,
I'm hit.
I think we're gonna die either way.
Yeah,
No.
the nuke will reach the base.
I've given you morphine.
Who needs cover? I'm bleeding actually.
Get paper.
Yeah,
Oh shit.
Paper, you want healing?
Doesn't matter.
That will be okay.
Out, man down. I called the Arizona LP301 and BP201 because
Your flashback.
watch and look, boys. Watch that mushroom cloud come.
That's the weakest fucking
That does Godzilla?
That was tiny. That was no termites. We blew up.
Smash.
So beautiful, you almost burn your eyes out.
Ja nic neslyším kvůli tím rádium.
Right. Guys, everyone quiet. So, well, the nuke did work, but in my opinion, the defense was actually went great.
I survived those
Held it
guys.
out for a long time.
Eagle, you and Purple crashed. What do you mean you survived?
No, you killed us in the air.
I did not do anything.
You did. You did.
Shut the fuck up.
The destruction radius was 2k with 50 damage a second, so...
Now you know why I like running ARC.
Right. The defense, in my opinion, went quite great. Though we didn't have the resources to last out much longer than what we did. I hope you guys had fun. Things are doing set and fun. I'm sorry to the pilots that I couldn't call cars or anything like that, but we did I think.
Next time I want a gunship.
Agree, we're not paper.
Right. I don't know anything else about this mission, so I cannot say anything else. Yes.
Oh yeah.
That's the fact that I got Wildfire.
Yeah. In the I'm pretty sure that in the events that we had to go and disarm the nuke, we completely forgot about the evac NATO officer from the FOB.
No, Kaiser went for that.
Also, no, you didn't forget about it. You were specifically told to forget about it.
Yeah, that's what I tried to say, but I didn't.
Why is my character fucking bald?
What are you talking about? You're wearing a helmet.
Right.
I can see under the helmet. Look at this shit.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you got the default face.
Damn, I went full fucking chemotherapy mode. Fuck me.
Right, guys. This is the end of the mission. You can disconnect now. Thank you all for coming.
Alright. Well.
Wait. Speak to you guys. Where the fuck is the audio? Where the fuck is it? Where is it? I'm serious.
Alright.
American fuck yeah.
Alright, everybody quiet down for a second. Well, did somebody want to say something or what?
No. You cunt.
I wanted to speak to you after everyone DC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, everyone, you can disconnect. Thank you for coming for the mission. Hope you have fun.
Gonna go to staff debrief.
User left your channel. User left your channel. User left your channel.
Everything fine, or?
What did you say?
User disconnected from your channel. User left your channel.
What? Mainly, I'm just going to create feedback channels and ask everyone to put this so we can skip over the debrief today.
No, it was just it's basically you can
User disconnected from your channel.
Random the message for everyone's mass fucking cast.
You know, it's fine.
God, this fucking
They need some rest so I can get my promotion. Oh my god.
See ya, boy.
User disconnected from your channel.